In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Behance link on LinkedIn. If you are a designer, illustrator, or creative professional, having your portfolio front and center on your profile helps recruiters and clients quickly see the work that defines your skills. We'll keep this simple and reliable by adding your Behance portfolio to the contact info section on your LinkedIn profile so it's always easy to find. Start by opening your Behance profile and copying your unique profile URL directly from the address bar. Make sure you are on your public profile page, not in edit mode or viewing a specific project, so the link takes visitors to your main portfolio. Double-check that the link starts with HTTPS and that there aren't any extra characters at the end from recent browsing. If you've customized your Behance URL, use that clean version. This helps with professionalism and makes it easier to recognize. Now, head over to LinkedIn and log in. On the top of your homepage, click the Me icon and choose View Profile. That takes you to your public-facing profile. Near your profile photo and headline, look for the Introduction section and click Contact Info. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the very top of your profile. The Contact Info button is right in that header area. A pop-up will appear showing your existing contact details. Click the Edit or Pencil icon to make changes. This is where you can add websites and tidy up how your information appears to visitors. Click Add Website, then paste the Behance URL you copied earlier into the website field. From the drop-down menu, select Portfolio. Choosing Portfolio labels the link clearly so anyone visiting your profile understands that it leads to your body of work, not just a generic site. When you are done, click Save. That's it for the setup. To make sure everything works, reopen your contact info and click the new link to test it. It should take you straight to your Behance profile if it doesn't. Edit the entry, remove any extra spaces, and confirm you pasted the correct public URL. If you update your Behance link in the future, remember to come back here and keep it in sync, so you never send people to an old address. Adding your Behance link to contact info gives you a permanent professional way to showcase your portfolio without cluttering your profile. Keep your Behance up to date with your strongest projects, and you'll make a great first impression wherever your LinkedIn profile travels. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.